I got hiccups. Oh, I'm sorry. That's so sad. Oh, buddy. Tell me how to make it stop. I'll make it stop. Daisy, no. Boo. That didn't work. Hang you upside down for 10 seconds? No, that's probably not a good idea because you just ate. Oh. What's up, bud? Whoa. Does that mean you're growing?
I think it's wrong to just make fun of him and video record him while he's hiccuping.
Oh.
Something about this doesn't seem right.
Well, he didn't start really hiccuping until you turned it on. That sun's gonna be a little bright in your eyes.
Ooh.
Oh, buddy. I'm sorry.
Like I cried, but I got hiccups.
Let's lay you down a little. There you go. It's so sad. Daisy, make it stop. Make it stop. Poor guy. He doesn't get too upset about it. At least not yet.
Mm-mm.
Oh, goodness. You're gonna stick your tongue out for the camera, huh? I don't know. Oh, bless you. I saw that coming. Is he looking at the camera?
Mm-hmm.
It's like, hi world. Say hello. Say hi.